recording now. Just gotta hold it.
Okay.
I'm just gonna walk over there.
Here is Steve attempting to see how deep the snow is in St. Lawrence Church School parking lot. He's trudging over there now. Oh, wow. Don't get stuck. Wow, it's past your knees.
Oh, yeah.
This is February 9th, 2013, a day after a massive blizzard hit West Haven and all of Connecticut with a total of 36 inches of snow.
You see that red button? That's how you stop it. You just press that.
Do you want me to stop it now?
Yeah.
Okay. There's a red button?
Press it.
Oh.